Integrating MTDC is a structured process that ensures advanced systems perform reliably from design through to real-world operation. Bringing multiple HVDC systems together into MTDC system is a complex task. It requires a structured, step-by-step integration approach from early system design through detailed engineering and validation, into system integration and testing, and ultimately to commissioning and real-world operation. It starts with clear system definition, understanding the customer's needs, defining the grid concept, and specifying how all components will interact. From there, we move into design and engineering, where key elements such as converters and solutions from Hitachi Energy's DC AxoniQ portfolio, including DC AxoniQ Protect, DC AxoniQ Connect, and DC AxoniQ Control, are developed as part of an integrated system. Integration does not happen in one step, but it is built progressively. For MTDC systems, verification is not just one test, it is a comprehensive process. It includes simulation, factory testing, and system-level validation to ensure that all components and functions operate together as intended. Each step builds confidence and reduces risk. Customers need assurance that multi-terminal system will perform reliably under all operating conditions, and that confidence comes from proven functionality, demonstrated step by step. At Hitachi Energy, this structured approach ensures that MTDC systems are not only innovative, but also proven, reliable, and ready for operation.